Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to the power button on TECLAST T60. Go to Settings, then go to System, then you can go to Gestures, press and hold Power menu, Power button, and when you're in press and hold power button, you can either set it to power menu, so when you press and hold on the power button it will display the power menu, or you can go to digital assistant, and now whenever you press on the power button it will open Google Assistant. And to open power menu when digital assistant is assigned to the power button, you need to press on two buttons at once, power and volume up, and it will bring power menu. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.